Hello friends, today we're going to do brown bear, brown bear. Brown bear, brown bear, what do you see? I see a green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see an orange fish looking at me. Orange fish, what do you see? I see lots of kids looking at me. Okay, now friends, now we're going to make the noises that the animal makes. What kind of noise do you think a fish makes? I think he makes this noise. What noise do you think a dog makes? Does he bark? Does he go ruff, ruff, ruff? And can I hear your duck? What does the duck do? He says quack, quack. And horse, what kind of noise does your horse make? Mine goes neigh. And we have the bird. What does the bird do? Does he go tweet, or chirp, chirp? And next we have the cat. Can you make a meow sound like a cat? Meow. And the sheep. What kind of noise does the sheep make? Does he go baa? And we have a frog. And the frog goes ribbit. And our last one, what kind of noise does the bear make? Does he go roar? Okay friends, that's it for today. See you later. Bye.